Clearwater, Florida, is renowned for its sunny weather, coastal breezes, and stunning landscapes. With such a picturesque setting, homeowners in this area seek ways to enhance the beauty and functionality of their homes while embracing the region's unique climate. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing casement windows. Here's why casement windows are the perfect choice for Clearwater homes. Unmatched ventilation. Casement windows are designed to open outward, allowing for maximum airflow. This feature is especially beneficial in Clearwater, where the warm weather often calls for natural cooling. The ability to fully open these windows helps capture coastal breezes, creating a refreshing indoor environment. By optimizing ventilation, casement windows also reduce the need for air conditioning, helping homeowners save on energy costs. Energy efficiency. Clearwater's hot and humid climate makes energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Casement windows are highly effective in minimizing energy loss due to their tight seals. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, preventing drafts and heat transfer. Many casement windows also come with energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings, which reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. This feature ensures a comfortable indoor environment while keeping energy bills manageable. Stunning views. With Clearwater's breathtaking scenery, homeowners want windows that maximize their view of the outdoors. Casement windows, with their single-pane design and minimal framing, provide unobstructed views of the surrounding landscapes. Whether you're overlooking the Gulf Coast or enjoying a backyard garden, these windows offer a clear and immersive connection to nature. Natural light. The large glass surface of casement windows allows for ample natural light to flood into your home. This feature not only brightens your living spaces but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. In a sun-soaked city like Clearwater, casement windows help homeowners make the most of the abundant sunlight, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Durability against coastal conditions. Living in a coastal area like Clearwater means dealing with specific environmental challenges, such as salty air, high humidity, and occasional storms. Casement windows are built to withstand these conditions. Many modern casement windows are made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which resist corrosion and weathering. Additionally, their tight seals help keep out moisture, protecting your home from potential water damage. Enhanced security. Casement windows are known for their robust security features. Their locking mechanisms are integrated into the frame, making them difficult to tamper with from the outside. When closed, these windows are nearly impossible to force open, providing homeowners with peace of mind. In Clearwater, where home security is always a consideration, casement windows offer an added layer of protection. Customizable design. Clearwater homeowners have diverse tastes and architectural styles, and casement windows can be customized to match any aesthetic. Available in a variety of materials, finishes, and colors, these windows can complement both traditional and modern homes. You can also choose from different grille patterns, hardware styles, and glass options to create a look that suits your home perfectly. Easy operation. Casement windows are designed for smooth and effortless operation. With a simple crank or lever, these windows open and close with ease, making them ideal for hard-to-reach places such as above sinks or in bathrooms. This feature ensures that homeowners of all ages and abilities can use them without difficulty. Improved property value. Installing high-quality casement windows can enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Potential buyers in Clearwater appreciate the energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetic appeal of these windows. By choosing casement windows, you're not only improving your current living experience but also making a valuable investment in your property's future resale potential. Conclusion. Casement windows are an excellent choice for Clearwater homes, offering a perfect balance of functionality, style, and durability. From maximizing ventilation and energy efficiency to providing stunning views and enhanced security, these windows cater to the unique needs of coastal living. Whether you're renovating your home or building a new one, casement windows are a smart and worthwhile investment. Contact a trusted local installer today to explore how casement windows can transform your Clearwater home into a brighter, more comfortable, and energy-efficient space.